Hey, welcome back to another episode. I know it's a little late. You probably thought like, oh, he ain't gonna keep it up, but I'm keeping it up, man. I still bringing out the videos. So here's another one. But this is one I did a while back. It was kind of like a gender reveal, and my client, they wanted something quick. So I was like, man, I'm working on this other project. I don't know if I can finish it on time. I was like, well, what is a kind of style I can do kind of quick? So, because if I do like my style is a little bit more realistic, but like stylized. But I know like a cartoon style that is pretty easy for me to do, and I can knock it out real quick. And I don't know if you guys seen the show, but it's called like Total Drama Island. And like the characters are kind of really blocky, type shapes or whatever. Like, it's easy to do, So I drew it in that type of style. They loved it. I made like it was pretty much like an email flyer, and it was something that they could mail out as well, like some kind of like a postcard or something like that too. So I put it together quickly. They loved it. But in this video, you get to see like a total drama style that I use, if it's something that somebody needs pretty quickly. I was like, well, I can do it kind of quick, knock it out pretty easy. So enjoy the video. If you got any questions, let me know. Oh yeah, in Instagram, I'm going to change my comic book puzzle piece that I'm going to do. I'm going to do more of a cartoonic kind of style. It's still going to be me, but it's going to be more like a cartoonic kind of style. And I'm trying to work on like my backgrounds. I'm going to do some more characters. They're going to be kind of like cartoonic, this character, I have behind me, here. So just stay tuned, enjoy, and I'll see you on the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I know there's a lot of people, ninja watchers, out there. Hey, hit that subscribe button. Got the kids in the background yelling. But anyway, enjoy it. I'm gonna take care of these other things, and I'll see you in the next video. Appreciate all my subscribers. I'm up to 57. Yeah, I'm trying to get to 60. Really 100 or 1,000 really, but I'm almost to 60. So thank you all for hanging there with me. And again, enjoy the video. Peace.
Like two out the door, then you have magic. You can run, but you can't hide. you can't